Hi. This is a new look on my YouTube channel. I've got hair for once. I need to turn this off because it's delaying already. We're going to play a game where we're going to sound absolutely ridiculous, and it's a game where it's an app called Speech Jammer, and basically when you talk it replays what you've said but delayed, so it sort of makes your mind go funny and then you can't really speak.
It sounds really dumb.
So it's going to be, should be fun. We're going to do a song, do a song each, and then we're going to do some together, so I'm first. And I've got to do Love is an Open Door. So I've got to remember the lyrics to begin with. Oh God. How does it even start? I can't even think. That's what I thought it was. Oh, my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you. And then, what is it? I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's up the party talking, the chocolate and Dundee. But with you, I feel like love's an open door. Yeah, that's me. It's traumatizing.
Right, I've got it now.
Right, so
I have to remember how it started. Okay.
She's going to do the first time in forever, so good luck. That's why.
So I'll turn it down.
The window is open.
The window is open, so is that door. I didn't know I did that anymore. Who knew your own fast? Silent place.
Put it faster.
I can't. I've forgotten now.
Yeah, me too. I should know these songs. No, we had a silent place. Why have a ballroom with no bars?
No bar.
Finally, we open up the gates. Oh dear.
For the first time in forever.
Should we try my one? Now we're going to try my version of I Whip My Hair Back and Forth, and she's going to join in on the chorus. If we get that far. Here goes nothing. I hop up out of bed, I put my hat on, pay attention to the hats cause I got my hands on. And we're gonna put them on, so don't tell me nothing, I'm just trying to have fun. So keep the chemo flowing. So what's up? Yeah, we know the nurses like to butt, we turn our back ahead, shave it off. I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth, whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth. That was so hard.
I had like 4 or 5 dreams. I whip my hair back and forth.
So did I. Oh, what was the next one we're gonna do?
I got my ticket.
Oh yeah. Now we're gonna do Pitch Perfect, the Cup song. Oh dear. We'll do this. 1, 2, 3, go. And then we'll go on the go.
Okay.
I got my tickets for the long way round. 2 bottles whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, here they say. When I'm gone. When I'm gone. gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're not gonna miss me when I'm gone. Goodness. Please, if you have an iPhone or anything, get this Speech Jammer app and try it. It's so difficult. It looks so much easier than it is. So give it a try and just don't record it and put it on YouTube because you're just going to embarrass yourself and each other. So, and I apologise for all the hand movements because
I hope you speak in this dilemma.
Yeah, it's tricky. Anyway, are you impressed? Yeah, I hope so. And here's my little ponytail.
If you're not, try it yourself and see how hard it is.
Yeah, it looks a lot easier than it is. But anyway, from me, Olaf, and Katie, it's bye.